And it's a button here, a thumb wheel, call it.
Yeah.
Forwards and backwards. And what I think is a really nice touch is we have exactly the same thumb wheel on our remote control. So when we're using the remote control on an ACX, if you wanted to lift something remotely at the fastest speed, you start and stop exactly at that fastest speed.
Okay.
If you're moving very heavy loads, it's maybe not the best thing for your anchors or to get your knots untied afterwards. Whereas with an ICX, I can start slow and then build up my speed, and the same when I stop. So if you're going to move heavier loads, that's obviously a lot kinder.
Okay.
It's the same scenario with the ropes. Skylartech are providing approved ropes.
Yep.
So we've got the RO80, the ELR and PLR ropes.
Yep, okay.
So you need your ELR, specific equipment lifting rope, if you're going to move machinery, tools or parts. And again, that's governed by the way the certification has to be done under the machinery directive. So you can use exactly the same ropes.
Okay.
This open, 1, 2 switches, rope. Just going to bring it behind that rope guide. That will put it into the rope guide straight away here at the bottom.
Okay.
Over the wheel, round and down, get the gate. Push it shut.
Yep.
Make sure the rope's in the rope wheel.
Okay.
Both buttons are over. There's a pictogram on the side here on the rope guide, in and out, so it shows you exactly which way around the wheel it goes. Then it's already turned on, e-stop's out. I can just up and down with that button. So if I just take that, clip it into my attachment point, take our back up.
Okay.
Pop that to the side for a second. And then away we go. And with that wheel, you've got perfect control of the speed.
So did you say it's the same speed as the ACX?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, very approximately.
Right, okay.
I'm not going to guarantee every time exactly the same because it might be an old battery or something, but
Yeah, of course.
24 metres a minute,
Right,
same
brilliant.
speed.
Right.
And of course, we have our remote control.
Okie doke.
So we'll turn that on. What we're going to do, see a blue flashing light,
Yeah.
and then there's a blue light on the handle and our light there. When that's gone solid, we've got control.
Yeah.
And because we've got the same thumb wheel, I can control the speed.
Yeah,
so I can start
really
slowly.
accurate, isn't it? Yeah.
And up, and slow, and down, slow, and just control the speed.
Oh, that's impressive. Yeah.
Nice machine.
Really, really good.